Hey everyone, a few years ago, when the Apple Watch Ultra was released, I saw some clones of it appearing in a few months, in both offline as well as online shops. At that time, the clones used to cost around 3000 to 4000 rupees, but now they cost around 500. So I bought one to see if it is any good. The previous model was called T800 Ultra, while the new one I have here to unbox and show you is called the smartwatch T900 Ultra. Anyway, without much delay, let's unbox it. It has mentioned wireless charging is supported. The first thing we can see is the user manual, which is both in Chinese and English. Hence it should be made in China. Same place where most genuine Apple products are made, so I'm expecting similar quality, even though the price is much lower, as majority of Apple products price goes to the software returns and the company's profit. Here's the watch case. We'll look into it later. Here are the straps. All resemble the original Apple Watch Ultra. What doesn't resemble the original is this weird charging connector. To charge this watch, I have to slot it into the charging case. But since wireless charging is supported, that won't be an issue for me. There's nothing else present inside the box. Let's turn on the device. First, boot. Some cool watch faces are pre-installed. All buttons are working fine on this phone. Okay, so here's the watch in close. The watch body is made of metal like the real one, but I'm guessing a cheap aluminum here. And on the back, except that the screws are not present and just some printed stars instead and the text, it's not much different from the original one. I have never seen the original in real life though. Now I will demonstrate how to charge this device if you also have the same model. Inserting straps is very easy, just slide it into the slots on each side. Now this watch looks very similar to the real one. The display does not cover a significant portion of the front like the real one, but at least there is a functional display. User interface is okay, but everything looks pixelated up close because of the low resolution display. It won't matter much anyway, as this is just a watch in the first place. The icons resemble the icons of the old watchOS. The refresh rate of this display is also very less, like 20 Hz as I can see. It is easy to wear, just do it like any other watch. One cool thing about this strap is that even if you made any length adjustment holes, it will be hidden when not in use. Not even the real Apple Watch Ultra has this feature. This is how it looks if worn on the left hand. Anyway, I had some fun unboxing and playing with it for some time. I won't recommend to buy it unless you desperately need something that looks like an Apple Watch Ultra. And for the cheap price, I don't think there's a better smartwatch out there, not even considering reputed brands. That's it for today's video. I'll catch you in the next one. This is me signing off.